Natural refrigeration solutions are a versatile way to meet your corporate sustainability goals and maintain efficiency across your operations at the same time. Low-charge natural refrigerants can reduce the cost of regulatory compliance, site safety, environmental impact, and lifetime costs. M&M Carnot's Pure systems deliver all these benefits in a compact footprint that can be floor or roof mounted, inside or out. Ideal for expansions, Pure solutions eliminate the traditional engine room, increasing your revenue-generating square footage. The plug-and-play designs keep installation and commission simple. And industrial-grade components provide a high level of reliability, reduced maintenance, and long product life. All driven by secure, remotely accessible industrial package controls. There are 3 solution designs in the Pure suite of products. Pure Chill utilizes its low-charge ammonia inside a closed loop, eliminating risk to the chilled space. A compact prepackaged solution, it comes with flexible condenser options and delivers excellent efficiency, even at part load. The Ammonia Pure cold condensing units provide efficient heat rejection without the need for an expensive mechanical compression room. Low and medium temperature loads can both be serviced using direct expansion or liquid overfeed designs across a wide range of model sizes. For freezing applications, Pure Freeze uses a cascading combination of CO2 to create the cold air and ammonia to deliver the waste heat to the condenser. More compact than traditional systems, it offers flexibility in terms of condenser options and industrial-grade reliability throughout its lifetime. Discover the advantages of natural refrigeration by integrating Pure packaged solutions into your process.